Do we have stand your ground laws here in the state of South Carolina? Hi, I'm David Aylor, an attorney here in the Low Country, and I'd like to briefly discuss stand your ground laws here in South Carolina. First of all, in South Carolina we have what is known as a castle doctrine. The castle doctrine essentially is the law that's set in place for protection of person and property. Under the castle doctrine, if an individual is in his or her home and an invader comes into their property or into their home, they're able to defend themselves all the way up to using deadly force. They do not, in no circumstance, have to retreat if someone attacks them on their property or within their home. Furthermore, this is actually extended to people in public places or lawfully in private places. So what this means is, if a person is approached in a public place or lawfully in a private place and they are attacked, there is no duty to retreat in the state of South Carolina, and they are able to use whatever force is necessary in order to protect themselves. If they use excessive force, they could potentially be held criminally liable for that excessive force. An example would be if two individuals met up in a public park, began to argue over something, and one individual picked up a rock and tried to hit the other person with the rock. That individual would have the opportunity to defend himself or herself as opposed to running away from the person with the rock. If they ultimately cause permanent injury, serious bodily injury of any type, or actual death of the person that was trying to strike them, they would then have to show that they used the exact amount of force that would be necessary to defend themselves under that circumstance. But again, the clear point is they do not have to retreat from the altercation. This is an extension of the South Carolina Castle Doctrine and goes under the heading that most would consider to be the Stand Your Ground law, which has been so popularized throughout the United States. If you have further questions related to criminal defense or any other type of civil actions, you can always contact me at my office, which is area code 843-577-5530, or on the web at www.davidaylor.com.